Every employee seeks and deserves to be looked after they complete a long term of service towards the industry and country's economy. That is why they receive retirement benefits in the form of a few schemes so that they may be self-sufficient and economically independent to live dignified lives. While a few schemes may require the employee to contribute in part along with the company, others are given completely by the organization upon retirement. Pension and gratuity are two such retirement benefits. Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax, and today I'll be talking about a few differences between pension and gratuity. But before we begin, do not forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So let's begin. The main aim among most people is to create a retirement nest egg, which today needs far more financial planning than just paying bills. In order to maintain your lifestyle the way you've always been living, it is important to have enough money after your retirement. You will find it difficult to manage your life with the sum you have in hand if you have not planned your retirement with the right investment schemes. You will lose principal and interest if you withdraw your retirement savings today, and you can lose tax incentives or have to face withdrawal fines. Therefore, it is best not to touch on the savings reserved for retirement. Any employee needs to be compensated after completing a long time of service to the company and the economy of the country. That is why they are entitled to earn retirement payments so that they can remain self-sufficient and socially independent. Although a few programs enable the employee to pay in part to the firm, most are solely supported upon retirement by the entity. Such two other retirement perks are pension and gratuity. The term pension refers to a monthly installment paid to an employee upon retirement. It is a benefit provided by the employer that can be a government establishment or any other organization to the ex-employee or his dependent relatives on a perpetual basis. Pension payments become effective for employees who have served the same organization for at least 10 years. The amount of pension is decided taking into consideration the average emoluments of an employee, which could be either the last earned salary or the average salary of 10 months preceding retirement, etc. Pension becomes payable upon the retirement, superannuation, death or disablement of an employee, whereas gratuity is the sum of money that an ex-employee receives as a form of gratitude for his contribution towards the organization. It is a form of social security benefit provided by the employer of an establishment to the retiring employee as a token of recognition when they retire or leave the organization. To be eligible for gratuity, a person must complete at least 5 years of service at the same organization. The 5 years of service condition is not applicable in the case of death or disablement of the employee as a result of an accident or disease. This is payable upon the retirement, superannuation, death or resignation of an employee. The amount of gratuity payable is given to the employee upon leaving this establishment, but in case of death is handed over to the nominee of the employee. If there is no nominee, the same is given to the legal heir in accordance with the law. Pension is a retirement scheme, whereas gratuity is a gift given to a retiring employee by the organization as a token of gratitude for the years of service. Pension is governed by the Employees Pension Amendment Scheme 2017, which formerly was known as the Employees Pension Scheme 1955, whereas gratuity comes under the purview of the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. Pension is paid on monthly installment basis, whereas gratuity is the lump sum payment. An employee needs to serve for at least 10 years in the same organization in order to be eligible for the pension scheme, whereas an employee needs to serve for at least 5 years in the same organization to be able to avail gratuity. While pension is a payment to be made by the organization perpetually to the employee or his dependents, gratuity is a one-time payment made to the employee as soon as they retire. According to the laws of taxation, an uncommuted pension is considered to be a salary under the Income Tax Act 1961 and is therefore taxable. Whereas the Centre's newly approved amendment expanded the maximum amount of gratuity, it is now excluded from tax till Rs 20 lakh of the previous ceiling of Rs 10 lakh, which fails from Section 10 of the Income Tax Act. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will try to reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.